Hi guys, Mark here. Today I would like to talk to you about the Incredible Hulk roller coaster at Universal Studios Orlando. I'm going to do a comparison between the front of the train and the back of the train to see if it makes that much difference. Now if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking the video and leaving a comment below, because we've got other coaster videos and we've got more coming up. As well as that, we have Disneyland Paris coming up, so we'll be doing some vlogs of that. And we do some bits and pieces in the house as well, like quizzes and things we've bought, pin trading. So if that's your thing, yeah, absolutely subscribe. And to those who are returning viewers, I just want to say thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. So anyway, let's get back to the Incredible Hulk and have a look at this roller coaster.
Launching now, it was a certain to survive.
Hulk's transformation accelerated. Do not be afraid.
Please unbuckle your seatbelts at this time.
Launching now.
Once again,
So that was the Incredible Hulk roller coaster from the front of the train and the back of the train, and both times it just looked incredible. Pardon the pun. Yeah, so either way I don't think it matters with that ride whether you sit at the front or the back. It matters in slower coasters, and it matters with ones that don't have a launch like you have in Incredible Hulk. But yeah, I think with that one, it's a slightly different experience front or back, but I still think both of them are going to be epic. Also, I believe Orlando Parks Insider's YouTube channel, which is an awesome channel, is doing a documentary on the Incredible Hulk. So what I'll do is I will leave a link in the description to their YouTube channel, and once they post that you can check it out. Also check out their other videos because they are an absolutely incredible channel. So if you've enjoyed this, I'm going to put a little link here for another one of my roller coaster videos, and a couple of links here, a little subscribe button there as well. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, check out these other things. And until next time guys, bye!